Hello, my friends. Welcome back to the English Beat. I'm Sarah, and I'm really happy you're here with me today. Today is the 5th day of the year 2026. This moment is quiet, but it is important. A new year does not need pressure. A new year needs clarity. It needs calm thinking. It needs honesty. Many people begin a new year feeling heavy inside. They feel rushed. They feel pushed. They tell themselves, "This year I must change everything." They make big plans. They make big promises. These are called New Year resolutions. But after a few weeks, something happens. They feel tired. They feel disappointed. They feel sad because life did not match their hope. Today, we will not do that. Today, we will begin differently. We will begin slowly. We will begin honestly. We will begin with reality. Let me ask you something simple. Why are you learning English? You don't need a perfect answer. You only need a true answer. Maybe you want a better job. Maybe you want to travel. Maybe you want to speak without fear. Maybe you want to feel calm and confident when you talk. All of these reasons are good. But today, I want to tell you something important. Motivation is not the most important thing. Motivation feels strong, but it comes and goes. Some days it is high. Some days it disappears. What really matters is commitment. Commitment is a quiet decision. A decision you keep. Even on tired days. Even on boring days. This year, we are not chasing motivation. We are building commitment. English is not a race. You are not running to beat anyone. English is a relationship. And relationships grow with time. With patience. With attention. Think about a child learning to speak. The child listens for many months before speaking clearly. No one says you are too slow. No one says you failed. Learning English as an adult is the same. This year, you are not trying to be perfect. You are trying to be present. You are here. You are listening. That is enough. You did not fail last year. You practiced. You showed up again and again. Some days you practiced more. Some days less. That is life. Life is not clean. Life is not straight. Life is messy. This year, we will focus on systems, not goals. A goal is something you want in the future. A system is what you do every day. If your system is good, the result will come. Your system will be simple. Easy to understand. Easy to repeat. You will listen to English often. You will speak a little every day. You will repeat. And most importantly, you will continue. Many learners think English success means speaking fast. But fast does not mean fluent. Fluent means smooth, clear, comfortable. Slow English is strong English. This year, your English will grow like a tree. A tree grows quietly. You don't hear it growing. Some days, you will feel nothing is changing. That feeling is normal. It is human. Language progress is often invisible at first. But your brain is changing. New connections are forming. Every time you listen, your brain adjusts. So today, make one small promise. Not a big promise. Promise to show up. Promise to listen. Promise to be patient. Patience means having the ability to wait. Without anger. You don't need talent. You don't need special skills. You need time. And repetition. Now, let's talk about discipline. When people hear the word discipline, they feel uncomfortable. They imagine strict rules, punishment, pressure. But that's not the discipline we want. The discipline we want is gentle, soft, not aggressive. Discipline simply means doing what matters, even when you don't feel excited. Let me give you a simple example. In the morning, you brush your teeth. Not because you love it, but because it is part of who you are. You are a person who takes care of yourself. This is called identity. This year, we are building the identity of an English learner. Not someone who studies English sometimes, but someone who lives with English. That sounds big, so let's make it small. Discipline does not start with big actions. It starts with tiny ones. If you say, "I will study English for 2 hours every day," your brain feels scared. But if you say, "I will listen for 10 minutes," your brain stays calm. 10 minutes feels safe. And here is the secret. Once you start, you often continue. Starting is the hardest part. So this year, Discipline is not about time. It is about starting. Even 5 minutes is enough. Consistency beats intensity. 10 minutes every day for 1 year is powerful. Your brain learns through exposure. Hearing English again and again helps your brain feel what sounds right. Now let's talk about routine. A routine removes thinking. When you don't think, you don't need motivation. You just act. Drink tea? Listen to English. Walking? Listen to English. This is called habit stacking. Easy does not mean lazy. It means sustainable. On bad days, do less. But do something. 1 sentence is enough. If you miss 1 day, return the next day. Do not miss 2 days. And finally, let's talk about grit. Grit means staying. Even when progress feels slow. The middle stage is hard. It feels boring. This is where many people quit. But if you stay, everything changes. Grit is quiet. It is showing up on a normal day. So today, make one quiet promise. Promise to continue. Promise to be kind to yourself. I will be here with you. This podcast will walk with you. 1 day at a time. 1 sentence at a time. Welcome to your English year. Welcome to 2026. And welcome to the English Beat. Bye for now.